play phi baro kani kadai kadudashan Meghalaya ban ibdiang snobhai phi baro sha kani kathup khubor men ta gajan mit shwa ban phai shiki khubor ki babnya ngine pechwa yakimat bakongsan Play umentri rang badu Narendra Modi yakayeng kabathamai jong ka skol ba Nalanda Harajkir Bihar Pelat ba umentri rang ba gajala ya lai tuli ki pat ki bayadei ba ki cloud ki tab gajala Meghalaya ba ya ka online portal bala ai kateng Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System Pendan kam adakar ki pulet riboy ya kabor jengki badyo batno ya kisnar nong luti Shimti kita nak toket ke sarkar pedeng ban toket ya gejing berngem pen thai bom deng ba ka email ya ka yeng bisha gejala Meghalaya ong USP Upankaj Kumar Raskania Bat penlong ka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute ya ka program IG hikai ka ba ars milenter ban penchai halo lai tili ki kendon an ki bat thamai hajawai ki khubor ki babnia Menteri rang badu jongkari Narendra Modi ula ong ba kaching nang chingtip kadon ya kabenta ka ba kongsan ha kaban penlong ya kari India kari kabala roy la par hapo usnem arhajars sau phonyong da ka ba ajing kren ha gajingalum lang chuki samla pule bat kinong hikai ha Shama Swaraj Auditorium hapo ka skul ba Nalanda University Harajkir Modi ula ong ba ka India kala ban kenjo syaka kerdan jongkari ka ba klan bortam da ka ba nang pen klan shushu ya ka pule puthi bat ya kithiar chingnang chingtip jongka Menteri rang ba du ula pele perda ya ka yeng ka ba thamai jongka skul ba Nalanda Harajkir hapo jala Bihar ula ongru baka skul ba Nalanda kalalong kanuksa ka ba krautam ha kabayadei bat ka kerteng bat kiriti ki dostur jengi sha ka perthai Menteri rang ba gejala Konrad Sangma menta kasngi ula pelat patba ya lai teli ki kot ki ba kongsan bha ki ba dei khamtam halor ki klau ki betab chong gejala Meghalaya bat ula penmi patba ru ya ka online portal bala ai kerteng Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System ya kani la penlong hapo ka kamra kenhun menteri hapo sekretariat kikot bala pelat patba ki kenthop ya ka rotation age and volume estimation of Khasi pine in Meghalaya volume 1 ka forest inventory of sacred groves in Meghalaya volume 3 ka geospatial mapping of forest fire vulnerable and forest fire prone areas in Meghalaya haba ajing kren menteri rang ba gajala ula ong bahapo ka program.
What is going to be very important is to be able to link the different research that we do and allow this entire the data analytics to be able to create predictability models for us in the future and know how one particular aspect of research or the trend that is happening in a particular area will affect another aspect.
Kipulet karibhoy Kim ban se ban pendan kam da kabor knang ba kenla ban yo bat no ya saungut kisnar nong luti ki balaya don kti hakikam dawa pisa jubor bat ra bor ya unong nya kali ki suba nong luti kila persyang ru ban pet grant na kejaka talasi balabu da ki pulit kabala penlong ya ki pulit ban pendan kam ya kabor jengki kenthop da kabasiat ya kekali ki saungut ki nong luti bala syakem ki dei u pradip bugoy na Dibrugarh, Utulan Phukan na Lakhimpur, Pranjal Gogoi na Tinsukia, bat Udip Das na Bukakat Assam. Unongnya kali ubalasya rabor udai Princhan Kumar Mali na Jharkhand. Katkum gajinya tho jang additional superintendent jangki pulit karibhoy uba banrap jerwa. Gajinya don kti jangki nongluti hakikam dawa pisa jubor bat kam rabor kalapau rengkau hadian kecing phla unongnya kali.
As far as I can say, from our side, reasonable force had to be used to detain these people, and investigation is ongoing to find out whatever linkages are involved. Thank you.
Thank you.
From their initial statement, we've got to know that there was one truck driver who was possibly kidnapped by them. His name is Shri Princhan Kumar Mali from Jharkhand, and his vehicle number truck is JH02AK9061. He has been rescued by the team from Umiam PS. He's being brought to the police station and he'll be taken for medical as well. A case is being registered right now, and further investigation will lead us to understand what were the motives of these people and since when they have been indulging in such acts.
Superintendent ki pulit kanong ba Pankaj Kumar Raskania ulaong ba kitanat tokit ka sarkar pedeng kila syemti ban tokit halor kejing berngem pen bethai bom leng ba ka email ya ka yeng bishar gejala Meghalaya kani ka dei kejing pa email berngem ka baar ha ka ba layo pedang nengkong ya kejing berngem ha ka hendriu terik ukala lengkot arhajar arposau da ka baya thu ba la judon kum kini kejing berngem ye ki weipat ki yeng bishar ru kumju Uraskania ulaong bagi pulit kidang tokit chapangkani namar gajing berngem pen bethai bom ya kiyeng bishar Meghalaya kadai tangka spam. USP ulaong bagi pulit kila shimkhia baha ya kani gajing berngem. Watla omsham la ujor kanu ke ejahar. Hagaju ka poru la pen klanyi ki bor pahara bat la pen longru ya kicing kilan met pahara hapo yeng bishar hakas ngi baan. La pen biang ru ya kiken hun pen lip bom bat ya kiksau smadin.
That one email was sent to High Court, which says that bombs has been placed in certain places of High Court. So it was tagged as spam by the Gmail. So we still don't know whether it is a genuine email or it is a spam. So we are still inquiring into it. And as and when we get the details, we'll inform you. In the previous incident which happened, we had already registered an FIR, and after investigation, we had got the details. And the incident which happened, so it was a very generic email, and it was not just sent to Meghalaya High Court, it was sent to all the High Courts.
Kaseng Voice of the People's Party Henen Kasngi kala ujor ejahar persya yo menteri katanat puli puthi kejela urakam esangma hakaba kani kaseng kala kentu yaki pulit banle ekabadon kam persya yo uni menteri da kaba ujor ejahar nakaliang jang kaseng uba Dani Langsti uba Day Finance Secretary jang kani kaseng ula ong ba haswa ke election MP badang shudaption kawei ka video kala sapriang stat bha hakaba lala banyo I badyo sngo ba uni menteri hakawai gejing yalang yalap election ula kren persya ikaseng VPP hakabala keno bakani kaseng kan sa penjat penyap nyon ben bat penduk no thiau yikiwei pat kiken huan chat ben riu kabadairu kababakla shibun kaba shutau bat kabom la ru banlong dalele ru
are not the law. That's the very reason why we have come here and filed an FIR, which we have given a copy of that clip to the law enforcement. So they will take their own course of time to vet the video, the originality of the video.
Hadian baladep yo ya gijing ai jing tip kibabiang ki pulit gejala Meghalaya kila badno ya kawei ke taksi ke bala suba bala kit ya kidrok hadian bala penlong ya gijing wat benia hapo kani kekali ki pulit kila lab ya kidawai kuli yaba kibakia hadu shispa prapun riu kram henen kasngi ha IGP point chelong ha kani kasngi kawei ke kentai ke bala syang ha kani ke taksi bat ke badon ru ikini kidawai kuli kala syak kemno bat la register mukot duma persya eka bat ki pulit kila batno yaka na kabenta bantok kit syusyu Udkhot jangga regional committee uba Amiral Bons im ula banjur ba kempat long satia ke bakloi ban IT wat tang shi and shi gejaka syaki jela ba marjan wat la ka longru da kabor habakren syakilat patai kubor syapang ka benta ka baar jang kejia kren kaput ka bom syam la long satia la palat shis na menta uba sim ula ong ba kijing sngo khia jing mut chibun halor kijing ya kachia kiba chujia man la kapor haki kaput bat bakadei ka kamram jang ka sarkar ban penne ya kasukasan hapo gajela da ka ba pen syairu ba enam la ban pen bet pura ya kanu gajing ya kan ad uba sim ula kedau ba ka komiti kan sa persyangkat bala ban penti kena ba gajing mi baro kandai na kabenta ka baha kamiat jangkit.
This is a sensitive matter. It relates with the land. Everybody, we are concerned about the land. We are not ready to give up even an inch of our land. So this is a sensitive issue. Untoward incident happening in the border area. But the government, the district administration they has been instructed to be very vigilant on this. They have to be proactive, and I hope that the district administration with the government will look into that. No untoward incident will happen, and we are in the process to resolve this issue. I'm not saying that it will be resolved 100%.
Commissioner Ubadai Ru Secretary jangka tanat ka kot ka khia jangka jela ujoram beda. Menta kasi ulaong ba ula snow kendit shibun ban tip bahapok jela Meghalaya kamdan kanu kacaka ban no senyang ya ki dukhat met jengki briu lani kanu kaseng ka bapet ya kani. Ula kren hakaway ka program bala ai kerteng ka deceased organ donation and the way forward. Ubeda ulaong banakadaw jengki kendon an hapok ka an Transplantation of Human Organs Act kat kendai pusaw kidon buan ki kam ki jam ki bayadei bat kani. Ulaong ba kidon buan kilat kilenti hakabayadei bat kejingno senyang ya ki dukhat met jengki balaklat no. Henry ka basngau si kalong bakani kaduna bha hakathan chatei lami ngi jong kari India. Ulaong ba kamdon kanu kathiar ka babyang banbu ya ki dukhat met briu baladep no senyang nakani kadaw buan na ki dukhat met jengki briu balaklat no sham lala ban bu thiar yaki bat kumta la ban
of Human Organs Act 94, which has been amended from time to time. It's not a cakewalk. You just get a transplantation. There's a lot of procedures in place, and the transplantation can be either from a near relative donor, or it can be out of affection, or it can be out of disease. A very huge potential lies in the deceased organ donor, but unfortunately that is one area which has not been explored, especially in India and particularly in northeastern region. We do not have proper cadaveric storage systems, and for that reason
Kalajdom Presbyterian Secondary School ha Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Henne kasi kala penlong ya ka program penkop buram ya iri dahun walang ibalayo ya kekerdan kabakhatsan na pedeng ki arpongut ki bahakli du jong ke examen SSLC arajar arposau badang student. UMLA jang kani kathan uba medba lingdo ulalong kum ukongsan ha kani ka program harengkat kejinga don lang jang i vice principal jang ka Saint Thomas High Secondary School pendeng umyong mairang i sister Cecily idkhot jang ka MC ki kena school bat ki wei uba medba lingdo ha kejing ajing kren jang ula ai kuble ya iri dahun walang bat ai men semru iki wei pat ki kena school baken le bha ha kejing pulia jang ki kum kecing itu ekani ke school ula kularu banya rapisa ya kani ke school
starts now. Sedang mendak, mulai mendak sedang. Prayer kan dengan kai, kau dengan kai seperti orang dengan kai sudah tak. Kita ini tu dengan yang ada di Kristen di Kristen. Masa buat ini wah juga berkata, kalau buat sekolah kita, harus mesti nak berubah.
Ka program ajing hikai ka ba arsngi lenter ban pensyai halor ki lai teli ki kendon an ki bathamai bala penlong da ka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute Shillong bala bei tengka da ka tanat an kalakut no menta ka sngi ha conference hall jong ka office u Deputy Commissioner Jowai kani kecing ai cing hikai kala penne cingmut khamtam halor ki lai teli ki kendon an bathamai kum ka niyai sanhita ka bharatiya nagarik suraksha sanhita bat ka bharatiya sakshya adhiyan kinong ai jing hikai ha kani kasngi ke kentup ya uba sam kupar lang latem law officer jong katanat an ubala kran halor kini ki kendon an ki bathamai ikong CW lingdo additional SP crime West China Hills ila pensyai shushu halor ka forensic science laboratory katba I public prosecutor West China Hills ila batai halor ka bharatiya niyai sanhita ka Motorsports Club Meghalaya ka badai ka way na kiseng balarim tam hinin kasngi kala pentip bakan sa penlong ya kejinya ko nya kali ka balai sngi lenter balatip kum ka off-road trophy. Kaban salong na du ka arpau tarik hadu arpau tarik ubanai jeliu ha kedem kulai Ribhoi district. Haba ai jing kren chekilat pathai kubor u president jangka Motorsports Club Meghalaya uba Eugene Nyangti ula ong baka sengkan penlong ya kani kecinya kop kum shibenta na kecing dap arpau snem jangka uba Eugene Nyangti ula ong ru ba ula du jangkani ke Lempung un sayo ara ya ku kusnam song tingka ka trophy bat ka sernon.
Even where different kinds of 4x4 cars can participate. It's a 3-day event, starting from the 20th, it's a night stage, then the second day followed by the second day, and the third day, which will be concluded by the prize distribution. So we want to inform the media and the people who want to participate. They can come there and experience to watch, or you can participate to bring your vehicles and taste what is off-roading all about. It's kind of a monsoon challenge also at the same time, because we purposely doing it on the rainy time. And of course we're giving the trophy, the certificates and prize money for all the categories.
Mentapat nginyepet ya kejing long jing man kasun beneng hanong ba shalong. Kacing shit kalong kat kendai 0.9 degree Celsius bat kacing kret kalong kat riu 0.1 degree Celsius. Kacing sengam ka hau kalong shispa na ka shispa men step bat kendai popra na ka shispa janmit. Kacing hap slap kalong kat pra milimeter. Kala bandon ru kacing hap slap ka bajur hakit babuan kicaka. Shwaban poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup kubor nginyepet biang sashisin yakimat bakongsan. Peli Menteri Rang Bakdu Narendra Modi ya kayeng ke Batamai jangka skol ba Nalanda Harajgir Bihar. Pelait ba Menteri Rang Bak Gajela ya lai teliki kot ki bayadei bat ki klau ki betap Gajela Meghalaya bat ya ke online portal bala ai kerteng Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System. Pendan kam adakar ki pulit Ribhoi ya kabor jengki banyok batno ya kisnar nong luti. Shimpi kita nak tokit ke sorkar pedeng ban tokit ya kejing berlian pen betai bom leng ba ke email ya ke yeng bishar ke Jalan Meghalaya ong USP Iban Kaj Kumar Raskania. Bat penlong ke Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute ya ke program ai cinghikai ke ba arsni lenter ban pensyai haluar lai teli ki kendon ain ki bat kemai hajuai. Ti parlong kat tungila poi sya ke bukut jong ke thup kubor jingi menta ke janmit haduk bangin daya syembiang bat pila syai ke singi kublaya pi barok.